From Worlds Unknown to the Columbian Exchange. That's the title of the content module that we begin this week in our class. It brings up a really good question actually, and that is, when did American history begin? One candidate is 1492, when Columbus sailed across the ocean blue and set in motion the Columbian Exchange. But he didn't even arrive in what today is America. More importantly, the peoples of the Americas and the peoples of Europe and Africa had histories that had gone on for thousands of years before sustained contact between all three peoples was established. We'll explore some of those past histories in the content module that begins this week. In this class, each content module lasts 2 weeks. That gives us the right amount of time for the readings from our textbook, the lectures, and the activities. During the first week of the content module, I'd like you to focus on those readings and lectures. I have a reading check quiz and a lecture check quiz to help confirm your understanding. And we'll begin a discussion called History versus History, where you will compare how a topic, process, or person that you choose is covered in the textbook and one of the lectures. You already know from our first week together that history is an interpretive discipline. Interpretations are not right or wrong, but instead are supported or not supported by evidence. I hope that the first week of class was good for you, that you enjoyed getting to meet some of your classmates in the introductions discussion, and that you understand what primary sources are and are ready to continue your practice of being an historian. I really enjoyed getting to read your introductions, getting to know you just a little bit, and I'm excited about the community of scholars that we are building in this class. Remember, if you need help, ask the Quicker Assistant chatbots, post a question in the Q&A discussion, or send me a message. I hope you have a great week.